Your customers need value, or they'll leave. Most startups fail because they either grew too fast, lost too much money, or were boring. And all of these can be traced back to poor sales strategies.
Look at the way you're talking to people. Talk to them in a way that grabs their attention.
Here are 4 ways that you can turn your business around. Step 1. Hit the ground selling.
A lack of confidence in your ability to sell shows up in your work. Everyone sells every day. It doesn't matter what your job is or what you spend your time on. The best tactic to make people engage is to be truthful and authentic.
Step 2. Create actual value.
When you realize that you're always selling anyway, it's time to think about what you are actually selling. The value that you and your product represent is more important than the product itself. Nobody will buy from you unless the product offers the best value. Even if you offer the lowest price, your quality has to surpass your competitors. People want to know what's in it for them. Are you saving them money, saving them time, simplifying their lives?
Step 3. Sell really well.
Innovation is an important part of every startup's growth, but it doesn't always work. Usually because the innovation doesn't add value to the client's experience. Listen to your customers, learn their preferences, and give them what they want. If you lose touch with your clients, you waste money and energy. Fight this by innovating when your clients need it. They'll know you're paying attention and you will make money as a result. Your relationship with your customers is like a friendship. Try every day to make a positive impact in their lives and build loyalty.
Step 4. Be truly useful.
Your startup success depends on your sales performance. Track your sales and understand what your minimum sales need to be, what your optimum level would be, and how you will achieve these figures. Ask yourself 6 basic questions to figure your process out. Who are your clients? How are you finding them? How are you talking to them? Is your sales cycle too long? How much do you sell? How much does each outreach cost? Find the answers to these questions by working through the steps and you will see results.
There is no quick fix. Give it a try and I know you'll see the value in the process. Happy selling!